Hello! Today we're going to cover how to place an order through the Arbor Contract Carpet web portal. First, navigate to www.arborcarpet.com. From here, scroll down to the Client Login section and click Login. A new tab will open with the web portal login page. Type in your provided username and password here. If you do not have a username and password, contact your sales rep or customer service to get set up. Once logged in, go to Orders and select Place Order from the drop-down. The Ship To drop-down shows a list of all the communities you're set up to view in the system. If you're a regional or district manager, you may see several, but in most cases you'll just have one. The Unit Type drop-down shows all of the different floor plans and installation options for the selected community. In most cases, this will include the floor plan name, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the square footage, and the installation type, such as ABBR, Standard, or Extended. This list will be unique for your community. For this presentation, I'm going to select a 2-bedroom, 2-bath ABBR. Once you've made a selection, the page will reload with pre-provided Ship To and Bill To order information appearing at the top. Further down, you'll see additional pre-filled information under Ordered By, Email, and Street Address. This is linked to your specific user login. The email entered here will receive all order confirmations. If your community has multiple buildings, please be sure the street address here matches the building address where the installation will take place. Both the email and street address fields are editable if necessary. Enter the specific building and unit number where the installation must take place here. If your community requires a PO number for orders, please include it here. In this field, you'll specify if the unit is vacant, occupied, or furnished. If it is occupied or furnished, select if the installer will need to move the furniture or if it will be moved ahead of time by you or the resident. If you have a set resident move-in date, enter it here. Enter the requested installation date here. You may also request a time of day for the installation by selecting AM, PM, or any time. Next, you'll want to include the on-site contact name and phone number for the day of the install. This is in case we need to reach someone once we get on site. Now you're ready to select the products for this unit. In this example, the community has 2 options for both carpet and hard surface. They also have options for pad and pet treatment. Whatever option you select will be installed throughout the unit. If you don't want something installed, don't select it. If you want something partially installed, select it and provide the specific location in the general comment section. Once you have everything filled in, do a quick review and then select Submit Order. The email address provided will receive an immediate confirmation from the system that the order was received. Once the order has been entered and scheduled by a customer service representative, you will receive a secondary email confirming all of the order details. If for any reason you need to cancel or change an order, please do not submit a new order through the web portal. Instead, contact our customer service department and they will make whatever changes you need. Another helpful tool in the Arbor web portal is the Reports dashboard. The calendars at the top show past and future installation dates. This includes all orders, even those not placed on the web portal. When you select a highlighted installation date, a list of orders for that day appears to the right. Here, you can select and view that day's order details. Towards the bottom, you'll see the community's open and current invoice summary. If there is a balance due, you can select the aging date range to load a list of open invoices to the right. Your individual invoices can be viewed and printed directly from the portal. Thank you for watching Arbor Contract Carpet's web portal tutorial. If your community would like to be set up to order on the web, please contact your sales rep or customer service.